Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. K. Pushpam, postdoctorate assistant professor in sociology. Now we are discussing about conflict theory of social movement. Conflict theory, developed by Karl Marx, is a theory society is in state of perpetual conflict because of competition for limited sources. According to conflict theory, those with wealth and power try to hold on to it by any means possible, chiefly by suppressing the poor and powerless. A basic premise of conflict theory is that individuals and groups within society will work to try to maximize their own wealth and power. Conflict theory focuses on the competition among groups within society over limited resources. Conflict theory views social and economic institutions as tools of the struggle among groups or classes, used to maintain inequality and the dominance of the ruling class. Marxist conflict theory sees society as divided along lines of economic class between the proletarian working class and the bourgeois ruling class. Understanding the conflict theory. Conflict theory has sought to explain a wide range of social phenomena, including wars, revolutions, poverty, discrimination, and domestic violence. Central tenets of conflict theory are the concept of social inequality, the division of resources, and the conflicts that exist among different socio-economic classes. Marx theorized about the bourgeoisie, a group that represented members of society who hold the majority of the wealth and means. Proletariat is the other group. It includes those considered working class or poor. This way of thinking is tied to a common image associated with conflict theory based models of society. Adherents to this philosophy tend to believe in a pyramid arrangement in terms of how goods and services are distributed in society. Conflict theory assumes that the elite will set up system of laws, traditions, and other societal structures in order to further support their own dominance while preventing others from joining their ranks. Marx theorized that as the working class and poor were subjected to worsening conditions, a collective consciousness would raise more awareness about inequality, and this would potentially result in revolt. Conflict theory assumption. Competition. Competition exists as a result of the scarcity of resources, including material resources, money, property, commodities, and more. Beyond material resources, individuals and groups within a society compete for intangible resources as well. Structural inequality, an important assumption of conflict theory, is that human relationships and social structures all experience inequalities of power. In this way, some individuals and groups inherently develop more power and reward than others. Revolution. Revolution given conflict theorist assumption that conflict occurs between social classes. One outcome of this conflict is a revolutionary event. War. Conflict theorists tend to see war as either a unifier or as a cleanser of societies. In conflict theory, war is the result of a cumulative and growing conflict between individuals and groups and between entire societies. Thank you.